Want to know how to rent cars in Agoda? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your agoda.com website or the application itself. So once you have done that, make sure you are logged in as well. So we have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. So once you have done that, you should be provided with this interface right here. This is your agoda.com interface, the main interface. So once you are there, here you should be seeing transport right here under navigation. That's it, right beside hotels and homes. So just simply select transport or hover on it. So once you have selected it, on the bottom you should be seeing car rentals. Just simply select car rentals and a new tab should open up where you should be redirected to Agoda's car rentals. So once the website loads, here you can just simply select the pickup location, airport, city or station, your pickup date, time and drop off date, and what's more. Now you can just simply select search, and once that is done, your search should start, and that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you just simply rent out cars in Agoda. So this is the simply-rentcars.com by booking, which will help you get some discount sometimes if you go through Agoda. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.